Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open a Honda Passport key fob. Use a small flat tool at the seam near the key ring and twist gently to pop it open, keeping the mechanical key aside. Carefully lift the circuit board to reveal the battery, note its orientation, and replace with a CR2032 cell if needed. Snap the halves back together until they click and test all buttons and the key to confirm operation. Start by placing the fob on a clean surface with good light so you can see orientation and contacts. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the battery straight out, avoiding any metal contact that could short the board. Inspect the battery clip and contact points for corrosion and gently clean with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol if required. Replace with a CR2032 cell and verify the fit before reassembly. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides you actually use. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles dust and debris so you can focus on car maintenance, and yes, it even avoids your tools on the floor. It has smart voice control and powerful cleaning to simplify post-project cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After replacing the battery, align the circuit board and ensure the mechanical key sits in its slot before closing. Press the two halves together evenly, working around edges until you hear firm clicks that indicate a secure fit. Test every button including lock, unlock, and panic, and confirm the mechanical key turns the door and trunk. If any function fails, reopen to verify battery seating and contact cleanliness before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.